Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So I just got done with my unboxing video and I'm rolling straight into the installation of the glass screen protector onto my new Razer phone. If you've read any of my reviews, you've watched very many of them, you know that one of the most important things to me is making sure that my phone is safe and taken care of, because it absolutely drives me crazy. I get one scratch on it and it irks me for life. So here I have the Razer phone in all of its glory and beauty and awesomeness. And if you're wondering why I have it sitting on this towel, it's because I don't have a case on it right now, and I don't want to risk my phone sliding around on, even though this smooth wood surface underneath it, I don't want to risk getting a piece of grit in there or whatever. I want it to be as pristine as possible. So also, the surface, the wood's kind of slippery, so this gives you a little bit more texture and cushion whenever you're trying to put the screen protector on. So this is the Spigen Glas TR Slim. So I don't know who it is that does their product naming over there, but this is really confusing. I had to go back and look it up online. It's actually two words. It's glass with just one S. Maybe it's a foreign thing, I guess, however they pronounce it. But it's Glass TR Slim. So it's a slim 9H hardness, extreme durability, and perfect grip glass screen protector. It has rounded borders, anti-chip, state-of-the-art original technology. And then let's see what we have here. It says, I can read that on the screen. Whole transparency, oleophobic coating. That's cool because it means it doesn't show up all the fingerprints and all the garbage on the screen as much. It's made out of real glass, silicone adhesion, 9H hardness, and delicate touch. So since it's a slim screen protector, theoretically you should get better transfer from your finger whenever you touch the screen. So I haven't opened the box yet, so y'all are going to get this installation video in real time, and I'm not having good luck with boxes tonight. So it's a 2-pack, and I picked it up on Amazon for $8.99. So we have all of our standard installation stuff: microfiber cloth. We got our glass cleaning lens wipe. Oh, it's actually the same ones that I use. I have one already ready to go. So they use the Zeiss lens cleaning wipe, which in my opinion are the best ones out there. Love these guys. I get a box of them, I think you get 50 for $2.99 at Walmart or something like that. So the only thing I really am concerned about in here is these little stickers so I can get the alignment done. Alright, this is kicking my butt. Hold on, I'm getting scissors. Scissors not available, using a knife. Had enough of these packages tonight. Alright, so there we go. These are all I really care about, because the only other things I use for cleaning mine, of course, it came with some, but I have one already, so I'll toss that to the side. Is there a problem? Okay, not worried about that. Looks like it's probably a user manual installation guide. Here's the two glass screen protectors in here. Ta-da! Alright, so get that stuff out of the way. Got this, got that. Now the magical success to any installation for me is a nice strip of good old USPS packaging tape. This stuff will get anything off of your screen, short of taking your screen off. So even though I just took the plastic wrapping off of this a few minutes ago when I did my review, I've touched the screen enough that something is bound to be on there. I don't really care about the dry wipe so much, because the stuff that's in here, it dries so quick anyway, it's not that big of a deal. I just pray that I don't screw this up. Just make sure you get a nice thorough clean of the screen. So I'm going to give that a couple seconds to dry. Hopefully I didn't knock the camera around too much. This is how I install all of my screen protectors, whether it's a glass one or whether it's a film style one. I always use the wipe. After I use the wipe, it's probably been enough time to dry there. I'll follow up, use the packaging tape, start at the lowest point of the screen. You want to lay it all the way down, flatten it out so you get whatever may be on the screen there. Now I don't go all the way up to where the last place was. I go about halfway up so you get overlapping tape. So that way there's no way that you could miss anything. So all it takes is one little piece of something to put a bubble underneath there. And 1, that drives me crazy, and 2, doesn't look good, and 3, just wasted my time doing installation if I can't do it right. So hopefully this turns out as well as some of my previous videos. If not, well, watch those and hopefully they're not as much of a train wreck. Alright, and taking your time and being thorough is the best way to set yourself up for success. Alright, so that's probably about as clean as it's going to get. So these little guide stickers are the most helpful thing when putting them on. You can't, I mean, if you want to use the Leaning Tower of Pisa approach and put it and just drop it down and hope for the best, then you can live your life that way. I don't live my life that way. And it's reckless. So here we go. Got 2 stickers here. We got the back. So that's the adhesive side. That's what we're going to remove. And then you've got the front side. So that should help out a little bit as well. It's actually kind of nice that it has this here. So we'll take the back off. We'll stick it down and we'll pull the top off. Seems simple enough. Alright, so the way I like to do these stickers, make sure you get ample amount on the screen so they don't start coming off when you're trying to set the screen down, because its own weight will pull these little stickers off if they don't have enough adhesive. It'll be nice using a glass one for a little while. The last couple ones I've used have been the film style, and they're cool and all, but you got the wet application and all that good stuff, and then you gotta wait. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this a little bit. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hold on to the sides here and pull this back sticker off. So now I have the exposed sticky side. So much pressure. Alright, I got to stand up for this. Alright, so it's not completely the same size of the screen, so get that as close up to the top as possible. Alright, that looks about good. And I'll put it down. And here's hoping and praying for a favorable result. Get the air bubble out from underneath there. I'll take off the top layer. And voila. Man, I couldn't have done that better if I planned it. Ta-da! And there we have it. I'm going to push that down to get the adhesive. And we have a flawlessly installed screen protector. So there you go, folks. That's how it's done. So if you have any questions on the technique, on how I did this, go ahead and feel free to leave them down in the comments section. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. Again, this is the Spigen Glas TR Slim glass screen protector for the Razer Phone. So as always, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments down at the bottom, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. See y'all later.